Hey guys, today I'm showing you this foil and plastic wax paper organizer. This is good for kitchen and very helpful that you don't have if you see this foil paper and plastic papers are very much required in the kitchen on a daily basis, and it goes in the with the supplied dispenser with a cutter and in the cabinet. So yeah, it's like very messy. So this organizer is good that it have three compartment, so you can put your foil, your plastic paper, or the wax paper, or something like three type of different paper, and it have this type of cutter, like a hidden safe cutter. That is good for the kids because it will not hurt or pinch them. This is the the sticky thing that you will fix, so I will show you that how to install this and how you can use it. It's pretty much good because this is made of wood, and you can see the magnetic, and the installation is pretty easy. And you can also see that you can put it or use it in a different way. So these stickers comes with it that you can use to label them, like foil or plastic or wax, and you can put this on top of this. These are the pads that you can write on it, or you can use it any way you want. And this is a solid wood, the dispenser, and is pretty much of a good quality, hygienic, and the wood is really nice that you can see. So as you can see that this is the magnetic thing with the three compartment, and this is pretty much easy to put inside all those rolls. So here, like, it's stuck with the magnets, and these three holes is used to put it on the wall. So the screws are supplied with it, and you can just put it on the wall. So now I will show you the sideways, the door that comes. You can open like this way, or you can slide in. I just prefer the other way. These are the anti-skid rubber stickers that you can put in the back, so that it will not come. So this, as I mentioned, these are the magnets thing, and then you just put it and it hold it well. So this is the magnetic lid, and it holds really well. Yeah, you can just slide it in and it will fix. So these are the cutter thing that you can put. So you remove the protective paper and just put it on the top of it. And you can just put some pressure, and this will really fix on the top of it. It's pretty straightforward, nothing to do with it. Just take out this or peel off this sticker and put in the groove. There is actually section that you have to fix these cutters on top of it. Just fix it and press it, and these are of the same size, like you can use it with the cutter, so there is no issue with that. Yeah, just put it in that supplied slot and then just press it. It's easy to move this type of cutters, and I will show you its demo. And the second thing is to put these rubber pads on the four corners. So if you want to use it, say, in the drawer, then this will hold well. It will not slip here and there, and hold well with these anti-skid rubber pads. So here comes the stickers. So you can use like which one you want, like the foil or the plastic or the wax, or the parchment paper. So you can put all these rolls and you can put in the stickers. So I put these stickers and I'm putting in the rolls. This is the big space that you can just take out the roll easily, and this is very messy, my foil, so that I can show you how to cut like in a single slide. So how this cutter is helpful. So I'm putting all these three different type of papers, and it's easy to just take it out from the big space. Close the lid. I'm just putting the wax paper as well because I put the parchment. So in this section I will try to put any one of these papers. So just put in the sticker. Okay, now the cutting thing comes on. So you have to take this paper, whatever the length you want, and just put it on this cutter thing and slowly move this cutter tab, and that's it. It's cut, and you can see it is very streamlined cut and easy to cut, safe and pretty nice cut I'm having here. Is very nice, smooth gliding and with the cutter. With this one, as you can see, because this is a little bit weird, the foil, so I'm just taking it now. I'm having a nice cut with this foil and I can use it, the different way. See, yeah, so I can just cut it and now you can see a clear nice cut. So it's pretty good, I will say, and pretty handy, easy organized. You can put it in your drawer.